stock my skincare Frigidaire with me featuring Good Molecules. We have the Niacinamide Brightening Toner, Discoloration Correcting Serum, Overnight Exfoliating Treatment, Lightweight Daily Moisturizer, and the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I also have a pink jade facial roller and matching gua sha. Here are all the products inside of the fridge. There's plenty room for more products. There's also storage on the door for face masks. It is also portable, and the front door has a light-up mirror for your convenience. When plugged in and turned on, the refrigeration noise is a very soft white noise. I got it for $30 at Walmart. I would say it's a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.